Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to an exciting exploration of one of the most iconic and formidable machines in the world of rally racing, the KTM 450 Rallye. As we delve into the heart of the Dakar Rally, this motorcycle stands out as a true testament to engineering, excellence, endurance, and the pursuit of victory in one of the most challenging motorsport events on the planet. Let's start by delving into the key features that make the KTM a force to be reckoned with. Powering this beast is a potent 450cc single-cylinder engine, meticulously crafted to deliver an optimal balance of power and endurance. The lightweight and compact design of the engine contributes to the bike's agility, allowing riders to navigate through the challenging landscapes encountered during the Dakar Rally with precision and control. One of the standout features of the KTM 450 Rallye is its robust and purpose-built chassis. Constructed from lightweight materials such as chromium molybdenum steel, the frame offers the ideal combination of strength and agility necessary for navigating the varied terrains of the Dakar Rally, from sand dunes to Rocky Mountain trails. The suspension system, featuring top-of-the-line components, ensures that the bike can absorb the punishing impacts of off-road racing, providing riders with the confidence to push their limits. The KTM 450 Rallye also boasts an advanced fuel management system, crucial for optimizing performance in the unforgiving conditions of the Dakar Rally. With large fuel tanks designed to provide an extended range, riders can cover vast distances without the need for frequent refueling stops, a strategic advantage in a race that spans thousands of kilometers across challenging landscapes. In the world of rally racing, where navigation is as critical as speed, the KTM 450 Rallye incorporates cutting-edge navigation equipment. GPS systems, road books, and rally instruments are seamlessly integrated into the bike's design, ensuring that riders can navigate complex routes with precision and efficiency, crucial for success in the Dakar Rally. The significance of the KTM 450 Rallye in the rally world cannot be overstated. KTM's dominance in the Dakar Rally, with numerous victories over the years, is a testament to the relentless pursuit of excellence in engineering and design. The KTM 450 Rallye has become synonymous with durability, performance, and the ability to endure the harshest conditions on the planet. It embodies the courage and skill of the riders who navigate the grueling Dakar Rally, facing challenges that test their physical and mental limits. The KTM 450 Rallye, with its distinctive orange livery, has become an icon in the rally community, a symbol of determination and the relentless pursuit of victory. In conclusion, the KTM 450 Rallye is not just a motorcycle, it's a symbol of innovation, endurance, and the indomitable spirit of rally racing.